After independence, Pakistan lacked a national anthem. A national anthem committee, formed in December 1948 under Sardar Abdur Rab Nishtar, offered 5,000 rupees prizes for music and lyrics. By early 1949, after reviewing hundreds of entries, no tune was approved. With a foreign visit imminent, Ahmed Ghulam Ali Chagla quickly composed a stirring orchestral score in B-flat, suited for all voices. Only music, no lyrics. Chagla's tune debuted at the Shah of Iran's visit and Liaquat Ali Khan's US trip, and was adopted on August 10, 1950. A subcommittee reviewed over 700 poems but struggled over language choice. In 1952, Hafiz Jalandhari's Persianized Urdu verses were chosen as a unifying solution. The full anthem aired on August 13th and was approved on August 16th, 1954. The anthem, a symbol of unity and pride, crowned a 7-year journey to give Pakistan its own voice and identity.